the impressive program of spring days organized by Lord of the Unicorn.
Yeah, from early morning, our contestants gathered to prepare for the contest. After interviewing a lot of players, we contested runners in running.
Hello, Mr. Ryan. I guess you're participating in the running race.
Exactly. No one can run faster than you.
Wow, you're responsible.
Hello, Mr. Ian. Do you think the tortoise can win today? The turtle can beat anyone. Surely he wants the race. Let's wait and see. I'm going to play against the rabbits.
Yes, thanks all the contestants. Hopefully, with a good preparation and high determination, we will soon find worthy champions.
And now, it's time for the game. The last sport is running race. Let's take a closer look to the screen. This contest is too easy for me. Try and try. Never give up. You are running like snail. You can't win. I will be faster than you. Come and play. It's fun. The tortoise is too far away. I should take a nap. A few more steps. Congratulations! Thank you. I just tried my best. And now come to the prizes for the champions of the spring game. Talks about the lessons they have learned from today's competition. Let me interview some friends here. Okay, let's go with Mr. Deer. Tell me, what have you learned through the spring games? I think exercising helps us improve our health. But to get good results, we should be determined to practice every day. Mr. Bear, am I right? That's what I'm thinking. You may not win this contest, but it is important to win yourself. How about Mr. Gerard? I totally agree. In competitions, there must be fair play and good sportsmanship. Hey Rabbit, I guess you got some lessons too.
Yes, being optimistic is good, but it shouldn't turn into overconfidence. In our forest, Mr. Lion is the eldest. We should listen to him. I'm old and sick, but I feel very happy with your performances. I believe the young and talented generation like you deserve to lead the green forest. Today, all of you are the champions.
The young and talented generation in the green forest is Black Union students who are dynamic, brave, and determined. And the trend of integration and globalization, Union students are always given the opportunities to learn and develop themselves in accordance with